Now in this video we are going to discuss regarding the testing session token strength using a sequencer, and we will do the practical for the same. So first let's understand why it's require a session management. So to track a user activity from page to page within application, or developer create and assign a unique session token values to each user. So most session token mechanism include the session ID hidden from the fields or cookies. So cookies are placed within a user's browser on the client side. So these are session token should be examined by the penetration tester to ensure that their uniqueness, randomness, cryptography strength, and to prevent the information leakage. So if a session token value is usually guessable or remain unchanged after a login, attacker could apply at pre-known token value for a user. So this is also known as a session fixation attack. So generally, the purpose of this attack is to harvest the sensitive data in the user's account, since the session token is known to the attacker. So let's do the practical. Uh, in this video, we are going to doing the practical for session token strength using a sequencer. So just we are opening our lab. First, check that you are not logged in any using any user account. Just check the burp history and check the get request. Okay, this is our get request. So now we have to check the session ID response. Okay, so this is our PHP sessions ID. Okay, so just click on that, send it to sequencer. In sequencer, we have selected the live capture request, and we have to select the cookies in PHP session ID. Okay, and now we have to start the live capture. So we will check the some tokens here. So it's basically doing a brute forcing or extracting the PHP cookies out of response. So after each capture, sequence perform a static analysis of the level of randomness in each token. So we have seen that the request, I think, nearby 400. Okay, so we are stop that. Yes, and 1 minute it's loading the summary. Analyze now. Okay, so now after the analysis is complete, the output of sequence provider overall result. So in this case, the quality of randomness of PHP session ID token is excellent. So it's a 101 bits. We can see that. the randomness within the sample is estimated. It's excellent. So it's a very good and 101 bits. So, however, through there is a no vulnerability present. So, it is a good practice to perform such check on session token. So, basically, in this video, we have learned that the session token strength using a sequencer. So, basically, session is used for to track user activity from page to page within application or developer, create and assign a unique session token value to each user. So most of session token mechanism include the session ID hidden from fields or cookies are placed within the user's browser on client side. So this session token should be examined by the penetration tester to ensure that their uniqueness or randomness and cryptography strength to prevent the information leakage. So we have done the practical for the same, and we have got the some result. Overall result, it's excellent, and it's showing that the 101 uh, bits. So the amount of effective entropy is estimated to 101 bit. So from the web penetration perspective, these session tokens are very strong. So there is a no vulnerability in this with in this report here. So uh, so this is all about the session token strength using a sequencer. How you can perform the in your lab.